Hello everyone, and welcome to your weather update on May 6th, 2024. It is your May Bank Holiday Monday. Okay, so this morning we are seeing a showery bursts of rain moving in, especially in the East and Midlands. And through the day, these will die off, and by afternoon we're left with cloudy skies mainly. With the odd patch of drizzle possibly around the south and east. Also for the UK, some possibly big showers or even small storms will form in the afternoon. So if you're in the UK, like Wales, West Midlands, up towards Lincolnshire, Yorkshire, and even towards Scotland even, we might be seeing a case of dodging bullets in the form of showers. Into the evening on Monday for Ireland, the cloud breaks up into the night, and Tuesday sees a day of sunshine and patchy clouds, cloudiest in the west, and getting cloudier in all areas in the evening. And so Wednesday and Thursday gets drier, yes, but some rain and drizzle might threaten the far northwest for a time, but it stays quite cloudy. Despite a high pressure, there'll be quite a bit of high base clouds and also some low base clouds. So even if some sun does come through, it's hazy sunshine that we'll see. But into Friday afternoon, there's a sign of cloud breaks forming more widely and evidently. So here is the temperature forecast from the UKV. So again, today was a warmish day in parts of Midlands, and last night's was okay with temperatures not too chilly. Now, looking at today, Monday, we are seeing temperatures ranging from about 10 in the north up to 16 on the far south coast. So on average, really, nothing too special. Into tonight and into Tuesday, a cooler start because of clearer spells, and into Tuesday afternoon, we're seeing highs of around 14 to 17 degrees, so it's better than Monday, also with more sunshine, especially in the east. Into Wednesday, starts mild again, about like 10 degrees quite widely, possibly higher towards the coast, and into Wednesday afternoon, we see highs ranging from around, around 13 on the south coast, possibly some sort of sea breeze coming in here, some onshore winds, some more cloud possibly, up to around 17 or 18 inlands, with more sunshine and shelter. Into Thursday, we see a warmer day, with highs then of around 13 to 20 degrees, warmest inland, coolest on the coast. Let me just go back to fog. Oh yes, one thing I saw was that it looked really chilly by the sort of east and south coast here. So I was wondering if there'd be fog. So if it's a fog fraction on, anywhere where it's grey, or especially if it's black, so it's foggy. So we might see some like coastal fog on some southern and eastern coasts if the MS is warm enough. So that could make things grey and also keep temperatures suppressed. Moving forwards, okay, so clearly you can see this patch of chilliness in the Irish Sea. That is caused by a patch of sea fog, basically. Into Friday morning, it starts off a bit chilly in the south, but otherwise it's fine enough. And into Friday afternoon, we see highs of around 15 in the north, up to around 20 or 21 in the Midlands and southwest. And I think that the chilly signal from the coast is gone. So I'm presuming that the fog is gone. Yeah, it's gone. Just a patch of sea fog there for a time, really. Okay, so moving on to the finally updated NAO. Check today, it's back. So we're currently at around neutral with the index. It's rising towards a positive level. Now, by the way, a negative NAO shows blocking towards Greenland, Iceland, forcing the lows southwards over us, bringing in May, cool and wet weather. But if it's positive, we have the jet stream pushed northwards with the lows, and instead we see an influence from the Azores high, and the NAO is going positive into mid-May, possibly going back negative though beyond that, but it's showing a spell of warmer, milder at least, and dry weather with the Azores high coming in. Though, as we saw earlier, not blue skies everywhere. Far from it, actually. So here's a GFS 12Z. So GFS 12Z, tomorrow Monday, we see this slack northerly airflow with this trough clearing to our east. But Tuesday, we have this high building in firmly over the country. And so Wednesday and Thursday, we actually do keep a very slight influence in off the Atlantic here. So yes, getting a bit milder and drier, possibly warmer as well. But because of this westerly, or should I say, southwesterly influence, we'll still see some clouds spilling in. We'll still see clouds coming in around the high pressure system, if you see what I mean. Into Friday, the high does become more centrally located, so that should break up some clouds. And into the weekend, we start to bring up this wind from the east and southeast instead. So that'd be warmer and drier, definitely. But beyond that, we do see the low pressure getting in charge then. So yes, it falls apart into mid-May, and we just go cool and wet with this blocking. Remember earlier, we saw the NAO going negative. Yeah, that is a perfect example of a negative NAO, and that is a that is a positive NAO, and that's negative around there. Okay, so moving on, yeah, it stays negative, it stays cool and wet into the 21st of May. Here is the ECM WF. It's like this. So the ECM, again, from Tuesday onwards, has the high coming in, but so in the ECM, the high is a bit more centrally located. But again, the cloudiest weather in the north with a possibility of the odd patch of rain there. But otherwise dry. Now into the weekend, we see on Saturday at the stage looking dry and warm, but by Sunday we see a low pressure trying to come through, and by Monday, westers are coming back really, and it goes cool and showery into the week beyond that. Here's the GEM again with this high building in. Initially still some westerly influences, so not entirely sunny at all, but drier and warmer at least. And then we go more properly drier and warmer and sunnier into the weekends before low pressure comes through on Sunday and Monday, bringing some showers and rain, heavy rain at times, and into the following week it just goes more settles. So the UK Met run is like this. Again, nice week coming up here with plenty of high pressure around, although as we said before, not everywhere will be bathing in sunshine, basking in heat. Absolutely far from it. It's actually looking currently quite cloudy. So yeah, at least till Friday and Saturday. So here is the icon. So the icon again, same story. Tomorrow sees the trough clearing away at last, before on Tuesday and Wednesday the high builds in all the way from the Azores up through Scandinavia and up towards Siberia, Svalbard sort of area there. So a big high pressure that's a big high pressure system there. Now into the end of the week we see more of a southerly influence, so that would break the cloud up and warm things up even more. And into the weekend we see low pressure coming in, and that brings showers and rain, heavy at times. And into the arpege run, last but not least, tomorrow northerly winds, very light northerly winds, the low is clearing away before we see the high taking over completely. And by Friday, May 10th, is to our east, bringing up this wind from the east and southeast. Very pleasant, warm, dry. Cloud cover shows that it's a cloudy one though. Yeah, as I said, no, far from being sunny everywhere. But it might change, So thanks for watching. I'll see you probably today for a different video, like the ECM. Yeah, I'll see you then. Bye for now.